Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my new journal collection to share with you. These will all be available for sale in my Etsy shop. They are notebook style journals and there are 10 of them. They've been made from Craftex, so they are soft cover journals and I made them in 2 different sizes. These ones are the small ones and these ones measure 5 inches by 7 inches. And these ones are the large ones and these measure 6 inches by 9 inches. I've painted the Craftex and embossed the cover, which I have highlighted with a gold wax. For the window image, I've added some wallpaper. The wallpaper is by Tim Holtz. I have also sewn around the edges of the journal and also around the centre image. It's not perfect, but I like the detail that it adds. There are approximately 24 pages or 48 sides front and back in each journal. So let me show you the covers. So these are the 5 small journals and we have a green, a blue, a purple, a pink and a blue-grey colour. So this is a little look at the green one. It's this beautiful shade of green and it has these pink flowers in the window image. And then this is the back. This is the bright blue one. Super pretty. And then this is the back and I love this floral image in the centre here. This is the purple one and I absolutely love the embossing folder on this one, and it's got this beautiful pink and yellow window image. And then this is a look at the back. And then this one is the pink one. It's super pretty. And here's a look at the back. And then this is the blue-grey coloured one, and this is probably my favourite out of all of the small ones because I absolutely love the colour. And then that's the back. And then these two are slightly different colour blues. So I'm not sure if it's picking it up on camera, but this one is definitely a lot brighter and this one is a lot more muted. This one is definitely leaning towards a blue-grey colour and this one is kind of a bright blue. These are the 5 larger journals. There's a light brown, a cream, a green, a dark chocolate brown and a yellow. So this one is the light brown one and the embossing folder just goes up to here, so it leaves this bit nice and plain, which I really like. They've all got different images in the window and like I said, my stitching isn't perfect, but I really like the detail that it adds. And then this is the back. This is the cream one and I absolutely love how this one turned out. It was originally darker to start with, but I didn't like it, so I painted over it, and so you can see it peek through slightly at the bottom, but I really like all the texture and dimension that it adds. And again, the lovely stitching around the centre image. And then this one has this one on the back and I love this floral image here. This is the green one and this one has this blue floral image in the centre. And then this is the back. And as you can see, it's actually slightly different from this one. This one is a much lighter green, this is a lot darker. This one is a dark chocolate brown colour. And then this is the back. And then this is the yellow one. I hope it's picking it up properly on camera. It's a beautiful shade of yellow and I love this image in the window. And this is a look at the back. I'll give you a quick glance at the pages inside each journal, but I won't show you each one in depth as they are all made the same way and they include the same variety of papers. So this is the blue-grey one and inside the journal they've all been lined with this green floral wallpaper and it's slightly embossed, so it's got this really nice texture to it. So they all have some Tim Holtz paper, ledger paper. They all have some pockets sewn into the journals, but they do vary a little bit. So they all have the same number of pockets, but some journals may have more top loading pockets or side loading pockets, for example. There's a children's dictionary book page, there's some lined paper, there's botanical book pages, music paper. They all have some vellum inside them. So that was a little look at the blue-grey one. This is the purple one, and again, I'm just going to give you a quick flip through and not show you every single page. because like I said, they have similar sorts of papers, similar sorts of pockets. So that was the purple one. This is the pink one. So that was the pink one. This is the bright blue one. And this one here has a little belly band in it. So this was a little look at the bright blue one. This is the green one. So that was a little look at the green one. On to the larger sizes. This is the lighter brown one. So again, similar sorts of pages, they're just in a bigger size. Some beautiful mushroom paper there. And this paper here is by Craft Consortium. So that was a little look at the brown one. And then this is the cream coloured one. This paper is by Tim Holtz. Some craft paper, vintage book pages. There's some pockets. So that was a little look at the cream one. And then this is a look at the green one. This is some vintage sheet music. The belly band in this one. I think the pages with some horses on are from a pony annual. The tuck spot. So that was a little look at the green one. And then this one is the dark chocolate brown one. The pocket, tuck spot. And I'm just giving you a quick glimpse because I think part of the fun when you get a new journal is going through the journal properly and seeing what inspires you. So that was a look at the chocolate brown one. And then this is the yellow one. So they all have some Tim Holtz paper. They're just in a different order. Lined paper, music paper, scrapbook paper, cream paper. So that was a little look at the yellow one. Each of these journals come with a little goodie bag filled with about 25 pieces of ephemera. The larger journals may have slightly bigger pieces than the smaller ones, but they have the same variety and the same number of items. There is a mix of both vintage and modern day pieces, so lots of goodies for you to play with in your new journal. So all of these journals will be going up in my Etsy shop. At the time of filming this video, I'm not 100% sure when that will be, but I will leave the information in the description box for you. I'm really excited to finally have another journal collection available. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.